Alrighty. Um, let me get this rolling real quick. So I worked on it like, well, I thought that automatic. Oops. I thought that automatically put that in. Whatever. So worked on it a tiny bit yesterday, but I didn't get much done. Um, so where are we at right now? So this is us getting all the strings, or all the directories within. Oh, another thing I need to test is what does it return? If we don't get one. So I'm pretty sure it's null, but let me make sure. Turns null upon reaching the end of the directory stream or if an error occurred. So this needs to have and dir struct does not equal null. Oops. Right. So given that, and this one already checks for null, so we're good. So that will give us all of the directories. And then here, we check the path, then we malloc a new string within track paths, and then we copy the name into this. So what is the name of the entire path or what? No, it's not a path at all. Is there a way to get the path? Oh. What we would do is just append dname onto the end of that. So let's do sn printf, and then this will be shoot, I don't remember. So it will be the string that we're copying into. Oh yeah, and the length, right? The length, yep. So it'll be the string length of wait, do we pass in the path? Let's get rid of this. Right. Oh wait. So we do that, and this will be repo dir path. So we will first get the string length of repo dir path, and then add dir struct the name, and then add one for the null bytes, I think. But that also changes this malloc, because this needs to be string length that plus string length of dir struct the name. So this doesn't need to be here. And then after that, oops, we say this will be the %s and then %s, but it will have to be a slash, so that means this is now 2, and then this is 1, right? Oops. And then we are going to have, wait, I did that twice. String length of, yeah, I did that twice. This is the string length of repo dir path. And then this is going to be repo dir path and struct the underscore name. Passing type. Oh, right. This is going to be data num track files. Okay, now we're good. So let's, this is now wait, no, we don't need this anymore. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. And then we would do the same thing down here. So we replace this with that, and then this gets, this is 2, and then this is string, or, oops, no. Where did I do it? Oh, here it is. Plus the string length of repo dir path. Cool. Alright, so that gets us those, and we are now adding it to track paths. Oh, I think that's everything. Okay. Let's go ahead and test that. Assuming I did everything right. Build projects. Two free error arguments in string compare. 155. Oh, this is in source. Oh. I have one too many of these, I think. Yeah. Still? Or is that different? That's still... Oh, I see. String compare. Oh, shoot. I forgot what this returns. I assume this returns an empty string because I wouldn't have put it in string compare if it didn't. Passing argument 2, I get repo, discards const qualifier. Wait, which one was const? Wait, so get update, this is 157, 157. Oh, what this returns is const, right? OBS data get string. OBS plugin documentation, OBS data get string. Yeah, it returns a constant. So do I edit it? I can keep it a constant. No, wait. What was the function? No, I do edit it. I don't think you can do that. I might just have to... Oh, never mind. Oops, that's not what I want to do from Studio. Okay. Oh wait, sorry. This is just projects. Why isn't this doing anything? Okay, so let's print that out. Let's start clicking here. And let's start by making sure we're getting the arguments correct. Because I did just cast it to a normal string from a constant, so I don't know if that actually works. What was the other test? This is... Oh. Oh, right. So that's right, because that would have returned 0. So we get the path. And the path was correct, right? Yep. Gee, let me keep that. So we tried to change it, didn't do anything. I'm thinking it didn't because it was a constant. It did. Okay. So we do that, and then we put it in buffer. And then you open the directory. Just make sure we do not get here. Or let's do is it P error? Yeah. P error failed to open directory. Let's make sure it's not that. Okay, so it's not that, which is good. So let me write this up here. Actually, no, I can do it down here. So the end is here, right? Yep. So let's do for int I equals 0, while I is less than data num tracked files I plus plus print f and then we'll do data tracked paths. Yeah. Interesting. Why aren't we getting down here? Can we do it here? Okay, let me just stop being lazy and open in GDB. Let's do that. Oh, I can't do that. That would have been nice though. Hold on. Okay. So the question is, why aren't we getting to so when we update it, set string, oh wait, no, this is tick. So we get from repo dir. Let's make sure we're getting in here. Because that would make sense that we're not getting anything if we're not in there. Why do we do this? Okay, so we are doing that. I is less than info data num track files I plus printf sends info oops info data track paths, there we go. Oh, whoopsies. It's nothing until we go here. It is because I have to select it every time? No. Okay, so we're not getting anything from there, meaning that we're doing something wrong in here. Okay, so let's just if compare on. Let's make sure we're getting here. That first one should be fine. Okay, that's good. So we get there and then we check the path. It's not a path, that's why. We need to do this operation beforehand. Okay, that makes sense, because check path is expecting an actual path, and I believe is checking. No, that expands it for us actually. So we can just pass in now we could pass in the formatted version for and right, so this is the creation. Oh yeah, won't let me put extra spaces? Oh, that's lame. So this is the creation, and then we pass, we don't pass this in there. We pass, wait, no, we don't want to put it directly in there though. So let's make a buffer, right? and then that's gonna do that, be that, and then instead of this, it's gonna be buffer at 0, and then here we're going to do buffer and then all of that, and then now we pass in buffer, and then if that is the case, then we do an sn printf of into data tracked paths at data num tracked files with the string length of buffer plus the null byte, and then we do, this is going to be buffer. Oh, no, sorry. It's going to be %f and then buffer. I feel like there's a more efficient sn string copy. What is that? And string copy. No, not. And stern copy. Oh! Okay. That's a lot more efficient. So we take that and then we say data, data tracked paths, data num tracked files, and then we say the one we want to copy, and then the size, string length of buffer plus 1. Right, so we don't need to do all of this. Right, and then we increment. So that'll get us the first one, and then we need to do the same thing. But we can just copy it this time. Yoink, 18, and then it's before we check tracked files. So that'll get us all of that, and then we check the path, so buffer, and then inside of here is just this. Oops. Okay. So now we have that, and I think it should work better, no? Uh-oh. Oh, I already had a buffer. Okay. Let's say go 29 up, and then we're gonna say.
Bro, you tell me you're not going to Sedona Tap House? Sorry, I said that.
What?
I said that bad though.
Okay. So wherever we call buffer in here, we want to rename it to temp string or temp file path. Now it shouldn't complain about me anymore, and it should work. Okay, never mind, it didn't work. Why doesn't it work? Okay, let me make sure that it's right. So before we go into check path, what is the file path? Temp file path. Ooh, I'm cutting it off. And I'm adding an extra. Okay. So I do not need this. So that means we can just do string copy and then temp into temp file path, repo dir path, and the length is going to be string length of repo dir path and string length of dir struct d name plus 1. And that should give us the same thing, but not cut it off. Okay, let's try that again. Discard. Uh-oh, we didn't even get there this time. Right? Yeah. Or did I accidentally delete the print? I think I deleted the print. Copy. What? Oh, whoopsies. Can't. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. We want to okay, you know what? I'm just gonna use print. Okay, so we don't need this. Just get rid of those, and then that should solve my problem. That's fun. Anyway, close this, discard, whatever. Oh. Yeah. What did I do wrong? Stern copy. Oh, this shouldn't be here. I guess it should. I didn't malloc it. Data, tracked paths, data, num tracked files equals malloc size of a character times times the string length of temp file path. One, I think. Go down to the run again. No segfault. That doesn't exist anymore. No segfault. What? I can't access it? Uh-oh. Oh, did I forget to check? So that point is data null. Num-tracked files. Oh, because if num-tracked files is 0, then I need to... What do I need to do? If num-tracked files is 0, then that means that tracked... No, that shouldn't be the case. Tracked paths should never be null, because we should have mallocked tracked paths to be... We set track paths to be null. Oh, it's segment string where we do that. Where's maximum paths? Do I have this? Yeah, let's put this in here. I don't know, something arbitrary that people aren't gonna add. So then we need to say, wait, hold up. Do I have support in here? No. Yes, I do. Okay, so if we get to a point where we need to add something, then here, let's check for it. If num or data num tracked files equals 0, then data tracked paths equals malloc size of was a character pointer? Yeah. Character pointer times max num paths. Right? We put that in support. Yeah. Oh, wait. Can't we just say extern? Actually. Oh, I'm in caps. Extern int max paths. And then I think you need to declare it in the .c. So support and then int numpass equals 100. I think that's how you do it. So you malloc that. Yeah. And then now we shouldn't get a segfault because it should exist. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, wait. Let's slow this down a little bit. It's going a little too fast. Uh-oh. Okay, so every time we update, it adds it, which is definitely not right. So every time he updates, why does it add? Oh, I see. Wait, no, I don't, actually. Why is it adding it? When we updates. Oh, are we adding it to the thingy multiple times? Is that what it is? For int I equals 0, I is less than info data tracked files I plus plus print info data tracked paths at the ith index. So if we update it, oh wait, that was a terrible idea. Yeah, it's adding it multiple times, I think. Wait. I didn't think this through. Wait, did I build it? No, it's not. Everything is in there just once. Wait, it's not adding. Oh, yes, it is. That's so odd. Wait, so it is adding it multiple times. But when we do this, it resets it. And then if we delete it, we have stuff in here multiple times, don't we? Yes. Okay, why? Thank you for your service, GDB. Okay. So when we have something in tracked paths, where's tracked paths? When we have something in here, info data, strings, rebuilder, added. Okay, so an easy way would be to just check if it exists, but that's a lot more expensive, I feel like, than just figuring out why it's happening. So every time we update, we'll add it, but oh, I see, I see. It's because when we do this, this gives us just a base, and then we store that whole thing in here. So we could just, so this inherently resets it in and of itself. We could do the same thing here. I believe. Yes, because all we'd have to do is add it to our own temporary array of strings, and then just return that, and we can already take into account what's already in here because we're given data. Okay, you know what? That could work. That could work. I'm gonna write that down. So we made this a separate field already. That's been done. And then we did this. We don't need this anymore. Make the make the add get repo directory function return an array of strings so that we reset the tracked paths array and don't have to check it ourselves. Well, actually, no, because we have to check if it's in there anyway. Because what happens if a user specifies a directory and then a single repo that is already in that directory is going to add it twice? Because the way I was thinking about it is we take this and then we just slot that in there. Okay, never mind. So we'll just have to check if a, oh my gosh, what am I hitting? Check if a directory already exists in the tracked paths array before adding it via add get repo dir. Okay, cool. I think we're all good for today. That was a good day. I think I could just finish this at work, but I gotta start getting going.